Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we got this really awesome Hot Wheels Elite 64. This is the, Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador 700-4. And this thing is absolutely beautiful. And obviously it looks super good there. It did come in a big plastic protector. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of that. So that's actually kind of cool, and it has like the Hot Wheel branding on it. Set that aside. But right here is the Lamborghini, and this thing is incredible. The Elite 64, it is a 1/64th scale, and the way they call it the Elite is because the attention to detail is top notch. Brand new, these are significantly more than like a regular Hot Wheels, so obviously they cost more, there's a lot more detail, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. Even like the packaging, the Elite logo, and then the Lamborghini itself, I don't even kind of see it, like reflects differently. There's like a different kind of shine to it. I don't know if it really shows up on camera, but this thing looks amazing. There's the back of the card right there. If you guys want to like read the specs and whatnot, they're all right there. And then you can see the car through the back of the window right there. But I'm going to go ahead, and I really hate to do it, but I did get an extra one, like specifically to open, because this thing has a lot of cool features that you won't even ever know if you didn't open it. Before I do, let me just kind of, I don't know, show you guys a little bit more of that. You got the giant wing there on the back. And boom, there's the car right there, looking absolutely amazing. But I really don't want to damage the packaging, so I'm going to try to carefully open this up here. And, oh, it breaks my heart. But I mean, I'm doing this for you guys, honestly, and it'll be a really cool car to be able to display here in the near future. Oh, man. Alright, almost there. And I do want to save like at least the top half of this card. Maybe put it with like my display setup or whatever. Alright, so I got that separated. And it's really cool because there's almost like a little blister pack inside the blister pack on like the back side of the car. So I got it pulled off, but it's still like sealed in this like little capsule. So now I just got to figure out how to like really get it out of here. There we go. Okay. Man, I never planned on opening one of these, so wow, this thing is really secure. Alright, so you have the main blister pack on the front, which kind of is molded to the car. And then I peeled off this plastic layer right here. And there's still another layer of plastic on this side of the car. So this is like really, really secured in there. Here we go. There's the other layer of plastic. And here is the car. Oh my gosh. Wow. And I didn't realize that the blue paint is like really sparkly. And just the attention to detail. Wow. Okay, let me show you guys this thing. You even have like all the little rivets on like the wide body fenders. And just like I said, that attention to detail. I don't know if that blue sparkly paint's showing up. Also, Hot Wheels almost hardly ever have mirrors. So this one actually has mirrors. So that's kind of cool. And then also look at the rims. I don't know if that's really showing up on camera or not. But the attention to detail in the spokes. I don't know if you can kind of see it there, the light shining through a little bit. But wow, this looks incredible. Down the side of the car it says, "Imagine all the people living life in peace." So that's pretty cool. And then made in Japan, Liberty Walk Performance. And then there's Liberty Walk on the side, the LBWK there. Wow, even like the underside and like the diffuser on this looks really cool too. Man, and also that giant wing, like that attention to detail is just top notch. I mean, this like normal Hot Wheels, like a 1/64th scale, are like $1.19, $1.29 nowadays. Like I mean, they've always been like the 99-cent cars. This is a $20 car, brand new, same size. So like you're getting like you get what you pay for. So like I said, the rims, the attention to detail is phenomenal. One of these rims is actually damaged, so that's a little annoying. It almost looks like it has curb rash, and yeah, the tread on the tires is actually pretty Pretty cool. And the front tires are a little bit skinnier, so it's actually like to scale. But one of the coolest features on this car, I don't know exactly how to do it, but the rear bumper actually comes off with the wing. Here we go. So there's the rear bumper, and it's even like it's paint matched and everything, so that's actually really cool. The wing is attached to that, and also the engine bay hatch should pop off as well. So let me just figure this out so I don't break anything. Oh gosh, come on. There we go. And like there's that little, that's kind of not focusing there. But what we have is the twin turbo setup and the exhaust right there. So that's really cool that you can pull like the whole rear bumper off to expose the twin turbos. And then there's the whole engine bay right there. So you see it has like the blue like cross bracing right above that V12. And this looks amazing. But yeah, like I really love how it does have like the little twin turbo setup with the exhaust. And it's pretty accurate too. Like that actually looks really, really cool. I really love that. Like this car is amazing. And also I guess like the wing can come off of the rear bumper. So I want to carefully try that. Oh, it swings right out. So now I'm kind of curious if I can put this whole thing back together just without the wing. Like honestly, I love the wing. Like if I had this in real life, I would definitely be wanting that giant wing. But I'm curious if I can just pop this back on and see what it looks like without the giant wing. Actually, it doesn't look too bad at all. Like, boom, right there. You got the Lamborghini Aventador. You have the couple little slots there from where the wing would have been. But even in my opinion, that looks really, really good. Man, look at that. Honestly, this is such an amazing Hot Wheel. Like, that is absolutely incredible. And I'm just going to go ahead, take this back off. There's just two little pegs. So it's not really anything you want to play with, or I don't want to race this on the 6-lane raceway because I don't want anything on it to break. Because it is kind of delicate. That rear bumper might just fly off anyway. There we go. So yeah, with the wing on there, that looks really, really amazing. The attention to detail is phenomenal. Wow. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. And alright, there you can kind of see like the rims and like how detailed they are. And then let me see if I can show you guys that. There we go. That one right there is the one that looks like it's kind of curb rashed. I don't know if you can kind of see it. Yeah, so that's a little disappointing, but whenever I display it, I'll just display it with that side kind of facing away. So you're not really going to notice it too much. And it actually rolls really well. So maybe I'll take off the rear bumper, wing, and all that stuff, and then maybe run it on the 6-lane raceway. As it is, that front splitter actually sticks out really far. And that is all part of the metal die-cast bottom. So if anything, the leading edge is like actually metal. So it shouldn't mess anything up hitting the little pillow, but I'm not sure. I'll think about that, see if I want to actually race it or not. Or let me know down in the comments down below if you guys want to see this run. Maybe I'll run it against like a regular Aventador to see what happens. But let me know if you guys want to see that. But for now, I really wish I could see the interior. I can kind of see a little detail, and I assume that it's going to be like really good attention to detail inside, but yeah, I can't really show that on camera. I mean, I can kind of hold it up and you can kind of see that there's just a couple little things there. But yeah, this blue paint looks really cool. I love that. Let me know what you guys think of this down in the comments down below, and let me know if you want to see any other videos such as this. I don't want to open up Hot Wheel RLC cars because those are quite valuable and a lot of them are very limited. I did order like a couple extras of these and one specifically to open, and even like the card on this actually had, when I got it, there's like some damages on the edges and stuff. So I looked at the one that was like in like the worst condition. But yeah, if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But as always, thank you for watching.